How to get 70% off KFC coupon codes. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the very top, you're gonna see the search box. Over there, type in KFC coupon codes and then search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option. Grab on, as this is the legit website. In this website, you're gonna find tons of offers and deals for KFC. Once you're on the website, just scroll down and check out the offers. $150 off, 50% off, $75 off, and many more. Head towards the offer that you want to grab, just go ahead and click on it. With that, you're going to get the code for it. Once you get the code, copy it, then head towards the website of KFC. Once you're on the website of KFC, you have to go ahead and log into your account, make your purchase, and proceed to checkout. In the checkout page, you're going to find the section of codes. Over there, type in your code and confirm your purchase. With that, you're going to get the discount. To grab any of the offer, you have to use same exact steps. Likewise, head back. Once you're in this website section, you can also give a try to this one website, Coupon AE. As in this website as well, you're going to find tons of offers and deals for KFC. So this way you can easily get up to 70% off working coupon code for KFC. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.